The Robbery by DM Belliveau. I'm 16 years old and sitting behind the wheel of a stolen Astro van. I am waiting outside Montgomery Wards while two of my homies are inside, robbing the place. My eyes bounce from the department store doors to the van's dashboard gauges to the intersection that I'm about to pull into. The punk in me is starting to rise up. I'm not built for this shit. I'm a funny nigga. I'm a skinny little light-skinned, half-black kid with glasses and crooked teeth and big ears and a cotton candy textured mini afro. I am not a Grand Theft Auto rob-a-store type of nigga. But look at me now, being and doing exactly that. Suddenly, the Montgomery Ward's double doors shutter open. Vern shoulders his way through, his arms loaded with clothes. And right behind Vern comes Mikey. That skinny-ass, light-skinned nigga tumbles through the motherfucking doors with about 10,000 garments. Mikey is cheesing from cheek to cheek, his hat pulled low, forcing his juicy afro out the sides. This fool is a menswear tornado, spinning across the double-wide sidewalk. Mikey shouts at me, "Start the car, nigga!" Security strolls through the double doors, two dudes, not at all in a hurry. Vern gets to the van and yanks on the passenger side sliding door. It's locked. I hit the auto unlock button about 1,000,000 times. Chick, 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 chick. The door slides open and Vern unloads. I crane my neck around to see the hall. When I meet Vern's eyes, he shakes his head as if to say, "We fucked."